Hey there, fellow prompt engineers. Welcome back to my channel. This is our prompt engineering series where we turn words into magic. Today, we are talking about something that every prompt engineer, whether you are just starting out or have been in the game for a while, can learn from the common mistakes we make. Let's dive into these. First up, mistake number one, being too vague. You know that feeling when you are trying to get directions from someone and all they say is just go that way? Yeah, AI feels the same when you are too vague with your prompts. Let's say you want a recipe for chocolate cake. If you just type give me a cake recipe, you might end up with a carrot cake recipe or something even weird. You have got to be specific. Try something like give me a simple chocolate cake recipe that's perfect for beginners and uses ingredients I can find at home. Boom, the AI knows exactly what to do. Be clear and precise. Moving on to mistake number two, overloading the prompt. Imagine you are at a buffet and you try to pile every single dish onto one plate. It's a mess, right? The same thing happens when you try to cram too much into a single prompt. If you're asking the AI to write a story, don't also ask it to give you a detailed analysis of character motivations, plot twists, and alternate endings all at once. Break it down. One prompt for the story, another for the character analysis, and so on. Now, let's talk about forgetting to set the context. Mistake number three. Think of the AI as a guest at your party. If you don't tell them what the party is about, they might show up in a clown costume and when it's actually a black tie event. When you give a prompt, let the AI know the context. Are you looking for a formal response or is this more casual? Do you need a historical perspective or are we talking sci fi future? A little context goes a long way in setting the right tone and getting the response you are looking for. Mistake number four is a biggie, ignoring AI limitations. We all love to think of AI as this all knowing genie that can answer any question under the sun, but let's face it, there are things it just can't do. It's not great at guessing without enough data, and it's not a mind reader. If your prompt is about predicting the exact outcome of a future event, you might be setting yourself up for disappointment. The AI can give you probabilities, trends, and insights, but it doesn't have a crystal ball. Remember, the magic of prompts is about guiding the AI within its capabilities, not expecting it to perform miracles. Last but not least, mistake number 5, not iterating and testing. Let me tell you, the first prompt is rarely the perfect prompt. Writing prompts is like baking cookies. You need to taste the dough, adjust the ingredients, and sometimes even start over to get it just right. Don't be afraid to tweak and test your prompts. If you don't get the response you are looking for, change a few words, add more details, or take some away. Keep experimenting until you hit that sweet spot. Remember, great prompt engineers aren't born, they are made through trial and error. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 common mistakes prompt engineers make and how to avoid them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can never miss any update from us. Until next time, happy prompting!